Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a deeper look at our Quart Stage 5 Talon tuned audio system. This is a 5-speaker 800 watt package that is tailored to fit every Honda Talon model from 2019 to the current model. Now the kit includes an AM/FM Bluetooth LED source unit, 2 compact NA2 amplifiers, 4 coaxial speakers, and an 8-inch subwoofer in a sealed enclosure. All components are Life Shield protected, meaning that they are designed and tested to maintain peak performance even through the ever-changing outdoor conditions. All products within this kit and all of our UTV products are IPX rated and come with a 1-year warranty. Another great feature is that all of the necessary mounting panels and harnesses, they're already included to ensure easy installation. First, let's take a look at the GMR LED source unit. This will be the hub for most of your audio system adjustments and connectivity. It comes with a Talon-specific mounting panel that seamlessly integrates this unit into your vehicle. It has a built-in 160 watt amplifier with 4 output channels. Its Bluetooth quick pair allows for easy Bluetooth pairing and automatic reconnect when your device is turned back on. The GMR LED also includes RCA and USB inputs, making sure that all playback devices can be used. It is equipped with an AM and FM radio, so you can access your favorite stations from wherever your Talon takes you. The Radial Shift UX system allows you to be in full control of the source unit with the turn or press of the main knob, which is located on the left-hand side of the unit. While this is just one part of the Stage 5 kit, you can also purchase this Talon-specific version of the source unit in our MBQT Rad 1 kit. Next up, we have our front NP1 116 6.5-inch coaxial speakers. These two-way speakers include a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter, injection-molded composition polypropylene cones, and composite UV-resistant ASA fiberglass frames. When it comes to mounting the front speakers, this kit includes high-impact HDPE Talon-specific left and right speaker panels. They are ultra-compact to take up minimal space. These speakers can be purchased separately in our MBQT Pod 1 kit. As we move to the back of the vehicle, the rear 6.5-inch pod speakers are the NPT1 116BB. These are two-way speakers which feature roll cage mounting and swivel brackets, which allow you to angle your rear tower speakers to your preference. They also feature a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter, which utilizes a waterproof coated surround. An aramid fiber composite spider is used to stabilize the cone and voice coil in all audio level situations. The rear speaker pods mount to the back cage using the provided mounting hardware. Again, these tower speakers can be purchased alone as the NPT1 116BB. Now let's talk bass. Our Stage 5 Talon audio kit comes with a dual voice coil 8-inch subwoofer in a high-impact HDPE composite enclosure. The subwoofer enclosure is an under-the-seat design that fits perfectly into your Talon. Powering this subwoofer is our NA2 400.1. a compact, high-efficiency, full-range Class D 400-watt mono subwoofer amplifier. Finally, the kit includes all available accessory wiring and cables in our MBQT ACC1. The Talon radio and dual amplifier harness are both included within this package. The entire kit is plug and play to minimize installation time and allow all customers the ability to set up the kit in their own vehicle. And that wraps up the unboxing overview video we have of our Quart Talon Stage 5 audio system. To learn more about this kit, as well as the rest of our Honda Talon specific kits, head over to mbquart.com, and these will be located under the Powersports section. Again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.